Let's pack lunch for my girlfriend. Tomorrow's another office day, so you know what time it is. Today's lunch is gonna be pasta again because she's a pasta fiend. I decided to go with this vegan pesto since I already had it for another video. I like how easy pesto is to make in a blender, but I don't like how smooth it makes it. It makes the texture kind of boring. So I mixed in some extra garlic, basil, and olive oil for both texture and flavor. In the last lunch I made, I was called out for my toxic choice of using animal products. Taking this feedback into account, today's protein will be chicken breast. Bonus tip: if you're working with a lean meat like chicken breast or pork tenderloin, I highly recommend brining it. I'm using a 6% solution, which is roughly 5 cups of water mixed with a 1/4 cup of salt, and let this sit in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. This will make the meat way more tender and way more juicy, as well as season the inside. The easiest way to cook these is to pat them dry with paper towels, rub them with oil and whatever spices you want, then bake them in the oven at 425 for 18 to 20 minutes. After resting them for 5 minutes, I taste tested them for food poisoning, because when it comes to chicken, you can't trust anyone. Not even yourself. Anyways, the chicken and pasta were looking and tasting scrumptious as the main course, but we needed some snacks up in here, and there was no snack that my little gremlin was enjoying more than these Korean dried persimmons, as well as these Rainier cherries. For dessert, I've been working on recreating this one specific Bass cheesecake from a place that's pretty famous locally for it, because it's like a Bass cheesecake with New York style richness. After giving the 2 other test cheesecakes to all our friends, I kept the cheesecake that turned out the best for us to share. Packed up all the food, but of course I couldn't forget the doodle, and today's doodle is a borb, a bird with spherical features making it resemble an orb, hence borb. Now get out of here.